Now that you're in your Treehouse account, let's add some clients. So there are multiple ways to add clients through Treehouse. The first way, you can go to your dashboard and click on the Add Client button in the top right corner. This will allow you to add all of the information for that client and add them into your practice manager. Please note that when you do add in a client, they will automatically get an email to access their client portal, where they can book appointments, pay for services, and update their health profile. The other way that you can add clients is to actually navigate to the Client tab. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to that Client tab, and we're going to minimize that left-hand sidebar to give us a little bit more real estate room on the screen. So what you're going to do when you're adding that client in is you're going to go ahead and click on that New Client button. This will again pull up that same form where you can go ahead and add in your client. So let's add in a client together. We're going to call him Rob. His last name will be Henry. His birthday will be 1994-09-01. And we're just going to use an example email for this example. In this example, we can see that the first name, last name, and the email for this client are required. These are required fields when adding in a client. And again, once Rob is added to the client roster in our practice management system, he will get an email giving him access to his client portal, where again, he can pay for appointments, book appointments, and update their health profile. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add Rob. As you can see, the client has been added and he is there listed at the top of your client roster. Now that he is added into the client roster, you can go ahead and we're going to go ahead and click on that client that you've added. You can see that the right-hand window has opened up, allowing you to access quick action buttons for this client specifically, or you can go ahead and view his profile. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click View Profile. This will take us into the full breakdown of this client, from demographics, charting, their appointments, invoices, files, notes, and any e-forms that are attached to this client. Want a breakdown of the full client profile? Check out some of our other videos.